Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by diagnosing why the ball draws. First, check ball position and stance. A ball too far back or an overly closed face at impact creates excessive draw. Once done, confirm your alignment. Feet, hips, and shoulders should aim slightly right of the target if you want a controlled draw. Make sure to use an alignment stick to see the swing path. This reveals whether the club is coming inside out or excessively closed. Understanding that is the key to the next adjustments. You now change the mechanics that produce the exaggerated draw. Grip down to a neutral or slightly weaker position to slow the early release of the hands. This controls face rotation. Then, shallow your swing plane by taking the club back on a more rounded arc, which reduces an excessive inside-out path that promotes hooking. Make sure to lower your hands in the takeaway and consciously delay the release through impact. Doing so flattens the face-to-path relationship and tames the draw. You finish by building consistent timing and verifying the result. Practice with half-speed swings, then 80-90%, focusing on delayed release and a square face at impact. Repetition grooves the new timing. Once comfortable, use impact tape or a launch monitor to confirm face angle and path numbers. If the ball still hooks, open your stance a touch and consciously stop the wrist flip. These last tweaks correct persistent over-rotation. Troubleshooting tip: when inconsistent, slow down, isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.